Ever wondered if it's necessary to renew your DBA annually?
Generally, yes. Once you set up a DBA, which is a fictitious name for your LLC or corporation, it's an alias, it's a nickname. You typically need to renew that every year because it is filed with the state, whichever state your business is in, so that everybody knows, or at least this is the theory, that everybody is on notice that you have an LLC or a corporation which also goes by whatever the DBA name is. DBA stands for doing business as. So the LLC can operate under its own name and do business as whatever fictitious name or assumed name you've made up. But yes, you generally have to renew that each year. If you don't, sometimes in the state you are permitted to pay to have it essentially filed and resolved or backdated. Other times you lose it and you have to request that DBA again. By the way, if that happens to you, I recommend working with an attorney, especially if somebody else has filed for that DBA first, like if a competitor comes in to use it, because you may still have common law trademark rights to your DBA name, even if you temporarily forgot to renew it or register it. Do you need to file your DBA with the IRS? The IRS doesn't care about your DBA. The IRS cares about your entity and whether it is paying taxes. Now, usually the IRS forms have a spot to designate whether your business has a DBA or operates under another name. And you need to put that in there because IRS filings need to be accurate. But here's the important distinction. The DBA isn't filing taxes. Why? Because the DBA is a nickname. For example, my name is Aaron, but if people call me Bud, like let's say I grew up and I had a nickname Bud, do I need to file taxes as Bud as well as Aaron? No. I don't have to file taxes because I have other nicknames. I have to file taxes under my legal name. LLC and corporations are the same thing. They have to file taxes under their legal name. A DBA or an alias does not create a new duty to file a separate tax return. All of the money generated by the business, which happens to use nicknames or DBAs, is filed as that business. So the DBA money essentially is already included in the business. There's no reason for a DBA to file a separate tax return. All right, I'm Aaron Hall. I'm an attorney for business owners and entrepreneurs. I do this educational channel to help you spot issues to discuss with your attorney, to help you identify ways to avoid problems. But keep in mind, it's an educational channel. This is not a replacement for using an attorney who understands the law in your state, in your jurisdiction, and can take the time to understand your particular goals and concerns and exceptions that might apply to you. I'd love for you to get the exclusive free resource that we make available to subscribers. It's a list of common legal problems and how to avoid them, and the educational videos talking about how to avoid those problems in your company and set your company up for success. You can get that at aaronhall.com/free. Enter your email address, and we will start sending you that information by email.